Okay, hello again. So as we said, the second lesson for today is math, yes. Okay, so today we're going to learn a new number, but before we start with that, one more time, please, let's sing together. Okay, fishing song, ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, once I caught a fish alive, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger, so which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. I hope you're singing with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go again. And now I'm quiet, but I want you to sing. Why did you let it go? Which finger did it bite? Okay, I hope you sing along. You sang along. Now, let's see what we have here. So, today, you're finally going to complete our 10 frame. Why? Because today, the number we're going to talk about is number 10. Now, look here. Number 10 is the first two-digit number. What does it mean, two-digit number? Why 2 if it's number 10? Because unlike any other number, like 1, 4, 5, and 6, all of these numbers, you write them with just one symbol, yeah, just one sign. However, number 10, you need to use two symbols, two numerals, two digits, okay? 1 and 0, but it gives number 10, okay? So today we're learning about number 10, our first two-digit number. Number 10 is very simple to write when we write it as a word. It's actually enough just to sound it out and write letter by letter. So let's see, 10, T-N, T-N, and that's how you write it, T-N, okay, 10. Now, you remember that this is called a 10 frame. Why is it called a 10 frame? Because when it's completely filled in, you have 10 things inside it, okay? So we can just fill it in. Okay, first 5 frame and then the second 5 frame. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, okay? So what we're going to do now is that we're going to count it, but we're going to count it in twos, okay? Skip counting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again, 10. And look, you have two equal parts, 5 and 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And also, that helps us when we are tallying. So remember, this is a 5. And if we said that 5 and 5 plus 5 equals 10, then this, if we have two of these, this should be 10. But now we're going to check that. I'm just going to take my pen. Okay, so let's count all of these sticks to see if we actually have 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, now let's see what we have here. Let's count it. As you can see, I have a lot of these magnets. I added some more. Before we had 10, now I think there's 15 or 16 of them. Okay, so I'm going to count 10. Okay, I'm moving them all here. And first, I'm going to count them in twos. Okay, so 2. Let's try to see if I can make them in the same color. 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, so these should be 10 magnets. Let's count them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 10. Now look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5, here are 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Ta-da! Okay, what is our next thing to do? Well, you already know. We need to decide what's the number before and number after. So I'm writing it here. And B, number before, and A, number after. Okay, this B should be a bit bigger. Yeah, okay, so let's see. The number 10, number before is number 9. Let's go back to 10. And the number after number 10 is number 11. Okay? So, I need you to write these things down. And then we're going to do something a bit differently than what we usually do. Once you've written this down, okay, you're going to come back and we're going to do something called skip counting. Now, this is a bit different from what we usually do after we've written down all these things about a number. How is it different? When usually we would now write number sentences, right? However, number sentences for number 10 are very special. They're really important for us to learn them really, really well, okay? Because they're going to help us in something called addition that we're going to be doing later on during the year, and in year 2, and in year 3, and in year 4, and you're always going to need it, okay? So tomorrow, when we have our live lesson of math, that is when I'm going to show you how we make number sentences for number 10, okay? So we're not going to do this today, okay? Today you need to write this down. And then after you've written this down, we're going to focus on skip counting. We're going to practice skip counting like I did it here, okay? So finish this video now, copy this, and in the next video, I'm explaining skip counting. See you in a minute.